morning children. Today we are going to learn about finding difference between actual sum and estimated sum. Here round off the given numbers to the nearest hundreds and estimate sum. Find the difference between actual sum and estimated sum. That means we have to find out first actual sum for the given numbers. Now actual sum 444, 214, 879. We have to add the numbers, that is 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 9 17, 1 7, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15. So actual sum is equal to 1537. So let us estimate the sum nearest hundreds. So nearest hundreds means we have to circle hundreds place and write remaining digits 0. Now underline the next digits. Now you have to observe the tens place. Circled after digit you have to observe. Here 4. 4 means 4 is less than 5. So you have to write same number at hundreds place. So you have to write 4 here. And here 1. Circled after digit is 1. 1 is less than 5. So you have to write same number at hundreds place. Now here 7. 7 is greater than 5. If the digit is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the circled digit. So here 444 is 400, 219 rounding off number is 200, 879 rounding off number is 900. So we have to add the numbers. So estimated sum is equal to 1500. Here in the question they have asked, find the difference between actual sum and estimated sum. So difference between actual sum and estimated sum is 1537 minus 1500. So difference is 37. Now second sum. Round off the given numbers to the nearest thousands and estimate that sum. Find the difference between actual sum and estimated sum. Here is the question. 4865, 1349, 7426. We have to find out actual sum for these numbers and estimated sum, and we have to find out difference between actual and estimated sum. Now let us start. This is the actual sum. We have to add all the numbers. 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 6 20. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13. So this is the actual sum 13,640. Now we have to estimate these numbers nearest thousands. If we want to find out nearest thousands, we have to circle thousands place and underline the after digits. First we have to write circled digit after digit should be 0. That is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So circled digits after digits we have to write 0. Now you have to observe circled digit after digit. Here this is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the circled place digit. So it is 5. Here circled digit after digit, that is hundreds place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So you have to write same number in the circled digit. Here 4. 4 means 4 is less than 5. So you have to write same number. So now 4865 rounded off number is 5000. 1349 rounded off number nearest thousands is 1000. 7426 rounded off number nearest thousands is 7000. After adding all the numbers, the estimated sum is 13,000. Now we have to find out difference between actual sum and estimated sum. Actual sum is 13,640. Estimated sum is 13,000. If we subtract, the difference is 640. Now third Roman. Round off the given numbers to the nearest 10,000s and estimate their sum. Find the difference between actual sum and estimated sum. This is A 23,948, 52,736, 54,381. Here is the solution. First, we have to add all the numbers, that is called actual sum. 23,948, 52,736 plus 54,381. First add the ones places. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. This is the actual sum, 1,31,065. Now we have to find out for the same numbers, nearest 10,000s, rounding of numbers. Nearest 10,000s means we have to circle first 10,000s place. Once tens, 100,000, 10,000, once tens, 100,000, 10,000, once tens, 100,000, 10,000. Have to underline circled after digits. By observing these digits, you have to change or you have to write the same number in the circled digits. Here 3. 3 is less than 5. That means you have to write same number in the circled digits. Here 2 and 4. 2, 4 is also less than 5. 2 and 4. 2, 4 are also less than 5. So you have to write same number in the circled digits. Before that, you have to write first circled digit after digits 0. Now here 3, we have to write 2. Here 2. 2 is less than 5, you have to write same 5. 4. 4 is less than 5, you have to write same number 5. Now we have to add the numbers. After adding the numbers, estimated sum is 1,20,000. Now we have to find out difference between actual sum and estimated sum. So actual sum is equal 1,31,065. Estimated sum is 1,20,000. After subtracting, difference is 11,065. Here fourth question. Shobit bought the following items. Books 378 rupees. A pair of shoes 1,549 rupees. School bag 352 rupees and cricket bat rupees 772. Here estimate the amount spent by him. A. By rounding off to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds. So first we have to find out actual sum and we have to rounding off the numbers nearest tens and we have to rounding of the numbers nearest hundreds. Now we have to find out the actual cost. So add the numbers. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 1 plus 2, 3. So actual cost is rupees 3,051. Now we have to find out same cost nearest tens. For that, first we have to circle the tens place and write right side digits 0 and left side digits as it is. You have to observe the circled after digits. If here 8 is greater than 5, so we have to increase in the place of tens. Here 9 is also greater than 5, so we have to increase circled digit plus 1. Here 2, here also 2 is less than 5, so we have to write same number in the circled digit. 378, 380, this is 1550 and this is 350 and this number is 770. After adding the numbers, we got 3050 rupees. 3050, this is the estimated cost. Now we have to find out the difference between actual cost and estimated cost. Actual cost is 3051 rupees, estimated cost is 3050. So difference is rupee 1. 1 rupee is difference between the actual cost and estimated cost. Now we have to find out estimated cost to the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means you have to circle the hundreds place digit and remaining digits you should write zeros, and right side digit is also you should write as 1 here, and you have to observe the circled digit after numbers. Now here 7, here 4, here 5 and here 7. We have already learnt how to rounding of the numbers. 7 and 5. 7 is greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. 7 and 5 are greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the circled digits. And here 4. 4 is less than 5. We have to write same number in the circled digit. So 378 rounded off number is 400. 1549 rounded off number is 1500. 352 nearest hundreds rounded off number is 400. 772 nearest hundreds rounded off number is 800. So after adding the numbers, we got rupees 3100. That is estimated cost. Now we have to find out difference between actual cost and estimated cost. Here you should observe here estimated cost is 3100. Actual cost is 3051. So 3100 is greater than 3051. So we have to write first estimated cost. So estimated cost is equal to 3100. Actual cost is equal to rupees 3051. After subtracting, difference is 49 rupees. So this is the difference between actual cost and estimated cost nearest tens, and this is the difference between estimated cost and actual cost nearest hundreds.